Hey guys, it's Rick, Elijah Tooling. Give me two, I'll make it worth your while. I wonder if you ever thought about what would it be like to print money? That'd be interesting, wouldn't it? Unlimited amount of money. Well, I can tell you how to print some money today, and I also can tell you how you can do that by using our fastener and using our products to improve your lean manufacturing. So, just recently, I went to show this fixture. By the way, I like showing this stuff off. I'm proud of our solution in the marketplace. But anyway, I had a prospect, and he looked at this fixture and he was like, whoa, that's a lot of fasteners, a lot of money there. And my response was, well, that is true, but you don't have to spend that much money to get this result, because each and every one of these fasteners can be leveraged to do exactly what you want to the cost of that single fastener. So, for example, in a fixture like this, we can plug the hole. We could have plugs everywhere here, and thankfully you can move this fastener around on that plate, and that allows you to only use it where you need it. In the same way, our multi-purpose hole, our zip bushing, has its own little plastic plug that we can use. So we put those in there, and then we just move our products around so that you can do the job, but at a much lower cost. Now, when we think about eliminating waste, for example, in the stream of production, this is one great way to do that. Get rid of the clamps. You have to stop the machine and then change the clamp and then start the machine. So here we don't do that. We use a picture framing concept in which you don't have to change clamps, and you don't have these issues that come up when you're talking about the lean manufacturing methodologies. We want to work with small batches. This is ideal for that kind of thing. We want to improve your throughput. That's what we call cycle time. For sure, you can do it. So the point is that we have ways that you can achieve these objectives without spending a ton of money. Another thing that I wanted to mention to you is that you could set up a fixture like this, or even use the T-slot on your machine and get that benefit as well. So here's your T-slot fastener, slides in the slot to wherever you want it to go. You know, it's infinitely variable in essence. And so here, all you really have, you don't even have the cost of the plate. You just have the cost of the fastener. Very, very low cost solution to quick change in your vises, your other tooling, whatever you got really. Anyway, thank you for spending time with me. We'll talk to you next time.